Hi, welcome back to Baking with Josh and Ange.
Hey you guys, it's Valentine's Day. Oh no, what are we doing? What's happening? What's happening?
Love is in the air.
Love is in the air, whether you have a partner or you love yourself. You're gonna make some sugar cookies.
Yep, I'm gonna make some Valentine's Day themed sugar cookies.
Also, we're gonna be doing a little Valentine's arts and crafts, because I love me some crafting, even though I'm not very good at it. I keep saying
really cute.
that if I had a spin-off YouTube channel, it would be called Crappy Crafting with Angela Kinsey.
I bet you guys would love to see that.
We just have friends on and we craft like really bad. But anyway, I do a little craft project with the kiddos. It's really easy because you guys know I pick easy stuff because this lady's doing it. I know what mug you're drinking out of. You picked it on purpose.
I did. For Valentine's Day a couple years ago, I got her this Jane Austen mug with all these quotes on it.
I know.
Because someone's favorite movie is Pride and Prejudice.
Guilty. I love it.
In vain I have struggled, and I am ardently yours, or something.
Listen, when he gave me this mug, he signed the card, ardently yours. He's my Mr. Darcy.
Yeah.
He's my Mr. Darcy.
Yeah, that was a pretty big score, I think.
That was courtship, Josh.
Yeah. Now it's just like, yeah, here's some flowers, here's some chocolate, whatever.
No. You've never done that.
No.
What are you getting me?
I don't know. Cookies, apparently. Okay, so what about your mug?
Okay, my coffee mug today. I know there's Dwight on it. Sorry, it's my TV husband.
Okay.
TV husband, real life husband.
Oh, Rain and I did these coffee mugs and cards, you guys, and it raised money for charity. So thank you to everyone who bought a card or a coffee mug. And they say, I just want to be friends, plus a little extra. Also, I love you. But thank you so much for buying the mugs and the cards because all the proceeds went to charity. My charity is Children's Mercy Hospital in Kansas City. I love them. They do amazing things. They don't turn anyone away. If your children are sick, that's a really scary place to be. And it's an amazing hospital. So thank you for helping me raise money for Children's Mercy Hospital.
Way to go, guys.
All right, so since it's Valentine's Day, we each made each other a little something. So Josh, what did you make me?
Okay, so what I made Angela for Valentine's Day was a Valentine's Day puzzle cookie. It was really cool. I've never made a puzzle cookie before. I've had these puzzle cookie cutters for a while, like just sitting there. I've been waiting to do something with them. I thought I'd try it out. So I'll give you guys a brief overview of how I made the puzzle cookies. They're actually pretty easy.
So that's Josh. And then I have a little craft that we're going to do that you can make for your special someone. And it's really cute and easy. And of course, I picked a craft that the kids could do. They're part of the crafting.
All right, yeah. Okay, so let me go ahead and tell you how I made this Valentine's Day puzzle cookie. Okay, so the first thing you'll need are your cookie cutters. Your puzzle cookie cutter and your heart cookie cutter. You need a heart cookie cutter that's big enough to hold the puzzle piece inside of it. Cut out the heart first, and then cut out the puzzle piece. Take the puzzle piece out, and then the heart. So your puzzle piece won't fit exactly into the heart because when you bake, your cookies expand a little bit. They still look really cool just set right on top of the heart. Then you put your puzzle together, make sure that all the pieces fit, and then you get the design that you want to use. So I cut out the word love, and then I traced around it with a food safe marker on all the different pieces. Then I separated the puzzle cookie, and you're going to decorate each one separately. After you're done with your design, fill in the background. I used white. Now, the puzzle piece cookie is great just on its own, but I decided to add hearts with the puzzle piece missing in the center. I thought it would be a cute extra touch for Valentine's Day.
All right, it's crafting time. Woo-hoo! It's crafting time. Woohoo! So the kids and I always love to make something for you for Valentine's Day. I thought this was so cute. I saw a few versions of this online. It's basically these cute little hearts you make with your fingerprints. And what I also loved is how easy it is, and there's only like 3 ingredients. It's the paint, a Sharpie, and whatever you want to write it on. A mug, a plate. It was not expensive at all, and I think it's really sweet. So I'll show you what we did. Okay, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Yay! All right, so we're gonna do a little crafting. I get very excited. All right, so first thing you're gonna get some multi-surface paint. I used Martha Stewart Crafts paint, and I used her multi-surface satin, and the color was tartan red. So I thought we could practice on a piece of paper. Just because, guess what? We only have one mug. So if we mess it up, it is what it is. So you're gonna have them take their little fingers and make their fingers into hearts. Now we practice first because I only had one mug, so we only had one shot. Take your little fingertip and dip it in the paint, and we're gonna use your fingertip to make the heart. Perfect, Jack!
All right.
1, once you get the hearts on the mug, you go back with a black Sharpie, and I used a fine point, and I wrote their names under each of their little fingerprint hearts, and then I wrote the year up top with this cute little heart arrow. And there you go, so easy. And you can either let it dry for 21 days, doesn't that seem like a lot? Or you can put it in the oven for a little bit. I need to read the directions. And then you're good to go. And you have your Valentine's coffee mug. Woo!
Yay!
Yay, crafting! Yay, crafting!
Okay, now it's time for the Valentine's Day surprise. Close your eyes. Oh my gosh, look at this.
Those are so cute.
Yeah.
Those are so cute. So then I take off the pieces and I put together the puzzle.
Exactly. So you have all the heart cookies, and then you have the puzzle pieces on top of the hearts, and then your Valentine gets to put together the puzzle.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love it, I love it. Can I put the puzzle together?
Yeah,
Can
go for
I?
it.
Am I the missing piece to your heart?
Yes, yes.
Groaning. We've just
You
grossed.
complete me.
We've just grossed everybody out.
Yeah.
What if I'm really bad at putting the puzzle together?
You can help your Valentine too if she has trouble with the puzzle.
I don't get it. Like that?
Yep.
Yay, I'm getting it. Aww, love. Oh, that's so cute.
Love.
That's so cute. All right, are you ready for your mug?
I'm ready. Aww. Oh, so cute.
that so cute?
Jack, Cade, and Isabel.
There you
2018.
go. So easy and not expensive, and I think such a sweet way to remember their little fingerprints. All right, you guys, that's our little Valentine's episode. Thank you to our kiddos for helping me make the mug, and as always, supporting us and our little channel here. And we hope we gave you guys some fun ideas for Valentine's. Happy Valentine's!
Happy Valentine's Day! Mwah.
Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Oh, hi.
Oh my gosh, I didn't know you were there.
Wow.
I'm so sorry.
Hey, guys.
Oh, hi, welcome. By the way, Josh has been wanting to do that. He was like, what if we start a video where we like act like we're surprised by the camera?
Yeah.
This is when you know we need to get out more.
Yeah,
when we're
absolutely.
like coming up with bits for the kitchen and rub it off.
Yeah.
What are you doing down there, bud?
I'm like,
Were you licking the
no.
Was he?
Please edit that out.
Yeah, edit
please,
that out.
please.
Edit Jack licking the counter out. Hello, 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 hello. Wish you a happy Valentine's. Happy Valentine's, happy Valentine's. You are happy Valentine's.